Okay, I'll try to keep this as short or as compact as I can. This is a 27-inch, all right, 2015 iMac Pro. Okay, no, is it Pro? No, I don't think it's Pro. It's 27-inch iMac, and this little bad boy don't do a damn thing. But the Godfather has sent me the newest edition of the Linux, the 22.3, and as you can see from the big screen TV, this sucker's a massive thing. All right, now when you're going to do this, is a couple quick little notes. They always tell you to just hit the Alt key and that'll take place of the Option key. That is not true. You'll notice there's 4 here. You'll notice there's 3 here. It just will never work. But if you come to the other side where there is 4 and you hit this Alt key, press it and hold it when you turn it on, and it's going to pop up and allow you to choose which one of the drives you want to use. So that's like changing the boot sequence. This keyboard will not work in this process because it has to be attached, and it's never always attached when you want it to be because this is a Bluetooth keyboard. You can use these, okay, but I've always felt a hardwire is better, but you can use these. Just remember that you're going to be using the other one. Now these only have the 3. I've never ever had good luck when it only has the 3 with the Alt. It has to, for some reason, have that 4th. Well, if you have that 4th over here, it does work, and you can bring it into the system. Now here we are, and we're selecting right now. Okay. Now I'm going to put my goodies in. I'll be right back. All right. And you can see now it's allowing us to install. So what we're doing here is we're taking this iMac. Now these are beautiful machines. I love these machines. These are aluminum. They're just friggin' gorgeous. I'm not a huge Apple fan. They love to send kill switches or make your Safari not want to update. And what ends up happening is you get these beautiful computers and then 6 years go by, 7, 8, they can't update anymore. So now you have to stay in the programs that are in the back. But your Safari keeps trying to update. And then when it can't update anymore, now you can't get online. That's when people start to just put them away. And they can't update, which means since they're Apple, gung-ho people, they got to get another Apple. So they do. Now I, on the other hand, will do this to them. I just got done working on a MacBook Air. So this is a ton of fun. I have 4 of these, not in the 27s. I have 3 of the 21s, 1 27, and 2 of the MacBook Airs. I'm not paying anything for these bad boys. But I paid more for this keyboard and this crazy finger mouse there. That was the combo, I think, was $21 because I thought I really needed to have them every time, but you don't. You just gotta learn up on them. But you see, right now we're loading up, and pretty shortly here, this will be a 100% Linux computer. So then I can have a system I like, but also have a computer that I find really. These are just super nice. Like when you look at these bad boys, these are all streamlined computers. I mean, look at this. Down here is where all my RAM is. All right, this is a 1 terabyte, and I've got 32 gigs of RAM in this thing. That's the way it came to me. So I mean, yeah, this is I love these units. They're fantastic. It's just when you get them, they can't do anything. They're just dead. But this is an option for folks. If you really love these, or you have an old one, and you're like, well, I had so much fun with it, give it new life. Put in a Linux. Put Linux 22.3 in. You guys will really be shocked. I think Hempseed Addict has, I think she has a MacBook Air, I believe it was she had. This would actually be a win for you as well. And would you look at that? It is gone. Linux Mint is installed. So we have DeAppled and Apple iMac. Oh, that always gives me such a kick. Let's see here if we can get something. Oh, I got to do an update here. Skip that step. Skip that step. Start the browsing process. And there, we're officially on there. Got to get my internet connection all set up here. Okay, so we got her online. As you can see, we're online here. This thing is crazy, man. I just love this stuff. This is awesome. And nothing happens unless you authenticate. Well, nothing should happen if you turn off authentication. Yeah, it can be a risky business, but I like to have it authenticate every time, you know, I add something or take something off. This thing's cool. Look at this beautiful ass computer. And this was a piece of worthlessness. The only trouble you get is these, I haven't quite figured out how to get these bad boys to always work. They keep disconnecting. I'll figure it out. And this could be some of the proprietary stuff that why people whine and cry. Well, it doesn't do what I want it to do. Well, if having to use a regular keyboard or a wireless as opposed to Bluetooth is the issue, then okay, that'll work for me. But this thing's humping right along. And it just has you go through and set up everything the way it needs to be. It's pretty. It's wicked simple. And then it just has a goes through the whole entire thing, lets you do whatever you want to do. And then let's see how we do here with the Firefox. I don't know if you can put duck on this or not. But I'll skip you. We'll skip you for now. We'll start browsing. Ooh, that's a lot of liberal media. Let's let's shut that off. There we go. Okie doke. There's a whole bunch of. I guess they have people that sponsored people who want you to use their services. Verbo. Can't believe that's on there. Associated Press. That's that red thing, whatever. Here's a little trick for you. Your camera can be hacked, but with one of these, it cannot be hacked. There's your camera where you can use it, and a simple push, no longer available. Comes in little packs. All right, I think it was these 5 were like, I don't know, $2 or something like that on Amazon. But it cannot be defeated no matter how good you are at hacking. You can't reach out and make that little action happen. So that's very safe. Your kids, number one, the kids, having that on their laptops and stuff, that's a good thing to have. They have them over on Amazon. Definitely worth a few bucks.